Cross multiplication exercise 3.5. These are two equations. Remember, constant and variable are one side of and other side is equal to 0. Coefficient of x a1 in first equation, coefficient of y b1, constant term c1. Similarly in second case. Right here x y1 starting from b1 b2, b1 b2 c1 c2 a1 a2 b1 b2, starting from b1 b2 and end with b1 b2. X between these two, y between these two, 1 between these two. How to solve? X multiplying this by this, b1 c2 minus, I show this dotted line because multiply this in minus, b2 c1 is equal to y multiply this c1 a2 minus c1 c2 a1, 1 by a1 b2 minus b1 a2. When we find value of x, this value comes here, b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided. To find value of x, this value comes here, b1 c2 b2 c1 divided by a1 b2 minus b1 a2. Similarly, we can find this value comes here for cross multiplying. Y is equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 divided by a1 b2 b1 a2. Let's give cross multiply one example. Third question of this exercise. Taking out constant this side, variable and constant are one side and equal to other side 0. Here it can be written as 8x plus 5y minus 9 is equal to 0. 3x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. a1 8, b1 5, c1 minus 9. 8, b1 5, c1 minus 9. Similarly, a2 3, b2 2, a2 3, b2 2, then c2 minus 4. Using cross multiplication, x y 1 starting from b1 b2, 5 2, c1 c2 minus 9 4 minus 4, b1 b2 c1 c2 a1 a2 8 3 and b1 b2. Now as in formula, multiply this minus 20 minus in formula, multiply this minus 18 is equal to y multiply this minus 27 minus in formula, multiply this minus 32, 1 multiply 8 to the 16 minus 15, x minus 20 minus minus plus, y minus 27 plus 32, 1 by 1, x by minus 2, y 32 minus 27 5 1. This value goes here, x is equal to minus 2 by 1 minus 2. This value goes here, y is equal to 5 by 1, that is equal to 5. First question, which of the following pair linear equation have unique solution, no solution, infinite many solution? Firstly, we find unique solution, no solution or infinite many solution. In case there is unique solution, solve it by using multiplication method. X minus 3y minus 3, first question, first part, 3x minus no y minus 2. Write here a1 b1 c1, a1 1 b1 minus 3 c1 minus 3. Write in this way. Firstly, we find a1 by a2 1 by 3, b1 by b2 minus 3 by 9. Cancel out 1 by 3. Both are equal. Then we find c1 by c2 minus 3 by minus 2. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. 1 by 3, 1 by 3 and 3 by 2. These both are equal, but C1 by C2 not equal. The equation have no solution. Second part. A1 2, B1 1, C1 minus 5. A2 3, B2 2, C2 minus 8. We find A1 by A2, 2 by 3. B1 by B2, 1 by 2. A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by 2. Then we do not find C1 by C2. This means A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by 2. Equation have unique solution. Then we have to find solution by multiplication method. X, multiply this, minus 8, minus in formula, multiply this, minus 10. Y, multiply this, minus 15, minus, multiply this, minus 16. 1 by 4, minus 3. X, minus 8 plus 10, minus 15 plus 16, 1 by 1, x by 2, y by 1, 1 by 1, taking out 2 here, x is equal to 2, 1, y is equal to 1. For what value of A and B, the following linear equation have infinite many solutions. A1 2, B1 3, C1 7, A2 A minus B, B2 A plus B, C2 3A plus B minus 2. Then infinite many solution. Condition of infinite many solution. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Put value of A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2 in the condition. Here put A1 2, A2 A minus B, 3 by A plus B, 7 by 3A plus B minus 2. Now firstly cross multiply this. 3 multiply this, 2 multiply this. 3A minus 3B is equal to 2A plus 2B. Take out one side. 3B minus 2A minus 2B is equal to 0. 3 minus 2A. 3 5B is equal to 0. Equation first. Now take these 2. Multiply 3 by 3. 3 by this. 9A plus 3B minus 6 is equal to, multiply 7 this, 7A plus 7B. Taking out this, AB this side, constant other side. 9A plus 3B minus K 7A minus K 7B is equal to 6. 9 minus 7, 2A. 3 minus 7, 4B is equal to 6. Divided it by 2. A minus 2B is equal to 3. A minus divided by 2, A minus 2B is equal to 3. Changing sign. Cancel out. 5 minus 2 minus 3B is equal to minus 3. B is equal to 3 by 3, 1. Putting value of B in equation first. A minus 5 into B. Value 1 is equal to 0. This means A minus 5 is equal to 0. A is equal to 5. Second part. For which value of K following linear pair of equation has no solution? Firstly write A1, B1 and C1, A2, B2 and C2. Then write the condition of no solution. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Put value of A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2 in the condition from first two, A1 by A2, B1 by B2. We find value of K.